Man, so we just got the release over the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toes. It's a couple things that switched up that flipped the day of the drop, and we gotta talk about it in today's video. Before we do, I need to see everybody's W down below in the comment section, because it seemed like a lot of people got some W's on these Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toes, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video from your boy The Vintage, man. It's always greatly appreciated. I love coming on here doing a recap of the release, you know what I'm saying, especially like a hype release like these Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toes. Well, I thought they was a little bit more hype than they were, but we're gonna talk about that. Like I said, I love coming up here, chop it up with you guys, see who all part of Vintage Squad or even new people that came to the channel. Let us know how their release went with these Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toes, man. So if you guys are new to the channel, right now, what I need you guys to do, man, hit that subscribe button for your boy, hit the notification bell to mess on any content that we do drop, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. I know you guys see the OutRank brand tee right here is officially live, and of course you guys see the hat right here that goes perfect with these Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toes. And like I said, it goes very, very quickly, so go ahead and click that link down below in the description box. Use my code TheVintage, save 10% on your entire order. You know what I'm saying? Look fresh with your fit when you're rocking these black toe lows, man. So yeah, guys, we got the release over these black toes, and like I said, I did not expect them to be as easy to get them as they were. Like, I literally went onto the app late because you guys know I wanted to get a double up pair, and of course your boy got that got him message, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna help somebody else out. My boy Brown, he need a pair. I said, bro, let me see if I can go back on there on my second account and get a pair, and I still was able to go back and get that second pair. I literally logged out my account, went onto my other account, and hit another size for my boy. So super dope to help him out. But it was just crazy. I did not think that I was gonna be able to get on there late and get a W, but hey, your boy definitely did get a W. You guys see right here, got that purchase on the Nike sneakers right here. Okay, hold on 1 second. There we go. Oh, now it went away. Now it literally has where you can purchase the sneaker, and the size they have left is a size 14, a size 15, and a size 17. So if you guys fit into them sizes, you still have an opportunity to go ahead and grab them. I know them bigger sizes is the ones that usually is harder to get. Like I said, 14, 15 to 17 is still available if you need it. So here we go, order confirmed for the Air Jordan 1 Low OGs. You guys see my last couple of W's. We got the black toe lows right here, got the black toe lows up top, got the UNC toe, and you have the UNC Chicago joints that we did hit on as well. So got some steady Air Jordan 1 cops. My last 3 purchases from Nike happens to be a Jordan 1, which is crazy, you feel me? So let's keep them dubs coming. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, we can get that dub for them cherries, because I know I want at least 2 pairs of cherry 12s. We're gonna speak that into existence, man. So yeah, you guys let me know, man. Did you double up, did you triple up, or did you, you know, stay solid with just getting 1 pair? I just know me, myself, I'm gonna be wearing these a lot, and like I said, I'll regret selling my Air Jordan 1 High Black Toes. You say, you know what, I gotta go crazy with these, man. And the first thing I'm doing is switching out the laces. Probably within this video, you guys are gonna see me out, you know, these black laces and the red laces and put white laces in them, or some cell ones. Bro, I'm telling you, the white and the cell laces look so good on these black toe lows. I'm telling y'all, don't sleep. The homie did it. He got kicks, and I think Jay actually swapped his laces out with the white ones. I'm not too sure. You know, he swapped out everything, but I know he got kicks for sure. You know what I'm saying? Swapped out them laces with the white ones, and oh my god, it looks so much better, man. So real quick, you guys already know what we do, man. We always come up on StockX and check out, you know what I'm saying, what the resale hitting for, you feel me? And on StockX, you guys can use my code TheVintage15 to save $15 off your purchase if the lowest ask is $150 or more. I try to put that out there. I'm gonna try to say every single video to help you guys out, because that promo code is still relevant and it's still working for you guys. So use my code TheVintage15 on StockX if you guys want to go and cop a pair of sneakers from their app, man. So like I said, let's click on it. This is the most talked about sneaker of the day. Of course, it is the day of the drop, and the sizes, you know, they going for like 160, 170. Not too bad for Air Jordan 1 Low. I think they did retail for 140 or 150. It was a 140 or 150. I'm not too sure. Let me show you guys that real quick. Hopefully it focuses. Okay, I'm gonna have to put a screenshot up because it's kind of bright, but like I said, the highest ask, or the highest prices is like the 167, 170, and I can only see it going up from here. Like I know for sure, like this being an OG colorway, you feel me, it's going to go up. If you guys go check out UNC, well, as a matter of fact, let's go ahead and do this real quick. I'm gonna pull up another OG Jordan 1 low. We're gonna pull up the UNC Jordan 1 lows, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm talking about as far as copying these joints right now, why that resale value is low. So real quick, man, I just picked up one shoe. This is a UNC 1 low, but this is the SB collab that they did. And look at the price on these lows right here. That UNC colorway, I'm put a screenshot over here so you guys can check it out, but 400 plus for any size you want in the UNC 1 lows. And let's check out Chicago's real quick. So Chicago Jordan 1 low, and let's see what them joints are hitting for, because I know that price is crazy. Chicago bread, like, people always love those colorways, so it's always gonna sell out. So 2016 is the last time the Chicago Air Jordan 1 low drop, and check out these prices. The prices are ridiculous. For a size 9, they're going for $3,429. That's crazy for a pair of lows. A pair of lows. That's what I'm telling y'all, bruh. In a couple of years from now, this dropped back in 2016. I'm telling y'all, these black toes, I ain't gonna say they're going for like 3,000, nothing like that, but they're definitely gonna be going for a pretty penny. That's why I'm gonna keep saying it. I'm gonna be putting in the title. I might even put in the thumbnail. Buy these joints right now where the resale value is low, while pairs is probably still sitting in your area. Just snag a pair. I know you probably still on the fence about grabbing them. I would definitely do it if I was you. So yeah, man, I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Again, let me know down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair of the black toe lows. Super, super dope sneaker. I'm gonna be wearing these joints so much the rest of the year, next year, years to come. I gotta double up, so we should be good as far as beating these up. And make sure you guys go check out OutRank, get your gear to go perfectly with, every single drop that, pretty much Jordan does. OutRank brand has something dope to go with it. I've been doing a couple styling videos over on Instagram. You guys go check that out. And I've been dropping a lot of, fits over on IG featuring OutRank brand. And use my code TheVintage. Save 10% off your entire order. I'm telling you guys, you won't be disappointed, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. Make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel if you're new. There's a lot of people that's watching this video that ain't subscribed yet. That's always comes to the channel, see the the dope visuals. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for your boy. You guys know we're trying to hit that 100K, and please leave a huge like before you slide today's video. Let's go ahead and throw these white laces in these black toe lows, and throw these joints on feet real quick for you guys. I'm gonna catch y'all in next video, man. Peace.